I am making thick berry smoothie bowl. To my blender, I am adding 1 frozen banana, 3 fresh celery sticks, 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 cup frozen blueberries, 1 frozen acai pack, 1 cup nut mix, and a splash of plant-based milk. The reason adding celery to a smoothie can help our digestion, and nut mix will add some creaminess and healthy fats and also proteins. To top this smoothie, I have fresh apricot slices, and mint leaves. Enjoy and thank you for watching.